got a mail call today. Alright guys, we are in the post office parking lot. Gonna get us our mail call today. I got a notification in from USPS saying that the delivery has been made, so I can come and pick it up from the P.O. box, which is awesome. You know how those have been going lately, that they say, you know, item has been, you know, processed or received in the original point, and then like 3 weeks go by and you don't know what's happening, and then it's like, oh, item delivered. They don't give you the actual status reports like they're supposed to. But either way, we're gonna go pick it up. Here we go. Alright guys, so I went into the post office expecting just this one package, when in fact I actually got 2 other letters, which surprised me. I really wasn't expecting anything beyond this, which is awesome. Means that somebody's sending me something. So somebody's gonna get some awesome shout outs today. Really excited to see who they are. So let's start with the smaller envelopes first, and then we'll move on to the bigger package. Now, because I don't know if these people want to have their identities revealed, I will be respectful of that, and I'm just gonna open the letters, and hopefully didn't cut anything up. Totally opened it upside down, but I don't think that's a huge deal. What is this? What? Oh my goodness. Silver Husky, here is your 4th place prize from the WTF giveaway. Thank you for participating. I didn't even know I won this. That is stinking awesome. Thank you so much, Dissident Aggressor. So I'm going to post this link in the description, in the description of this video. Definitely check them out. I'm stinking amazed. Most giveaways, if you don't reach out to them within, it's usually like 24 hours or something like that, they totally give it to somebody else, which I completely understand, and I respect people for doing that. But look at this. This is a red label $2 bill. And I don't usually hang on to $2 bills, especially the newer ones, but this one's actually, look how old it is, 1953. How cool is that? Thank you so much, man. Oh, that's so awesome. So this is my first. This is my first red label $2 bill. And I'm going to put that in the permastack. Just so you guys know, anything that's ever given to me, I don't ever sell it. I don't ever give it away. It stays in my permastack forever. And I'm eventually going to do a video with all of my, I guess, freebies or winnings or anything like that. Because I think that that's really awesome that we live in such a great community, or we participate in such a great community where, you know, we just give so freely because we want to make it that rich culture. But look at that, it's even an offset print. You can see here on the side there's a big margin, whereas here the margin is very narrow. So let's see the other side. Yeah, the other side's the same way. It's pushed over to the left, and there's a lot of space here on the right. I'm not sure if that's a common error. I honestly don't know much about these. So thank you. What this does for me is this actually gives me reason to do some research on it, learn as much as I can about it. That's stinking cool. Thank you so much, Dissident Aggressor. So I'm going to put that right back in here for now, and I'm going to hang on to that. Awesome. All right, so yeah, go check him out. His link will be in the description below. All right, next one. Let's see, I can get in here without stabbing myself. All right. All right. Let's see what we've got. Okay, I got some TP. Oh, this is good. This is good for the apocalypse. TP is definitely a necessary item. Now, what do we have here? I'm gonna be very careful with this. So, ooh, 1981 S. That's awesome. Very cool, great condition, as you can see. Nice. All right, set that aside. Open her up a little more. Okay. Here, this looks like a bicentennial. Very nice condition too. Very nice. Awesome. Okay, and the last in this set, Nathan Trevor, American Collector. Coin roll hunter at protonmail.com. Very cool. And this is a 40% 1968D. Hey, thank you so much, Nathan Trevor. I'm gonna put his information down below in the description. Definitely go check him out too. Thank you so much for this. That's stinking cool. All right, and the last. Now, just so you guys know, this is a significant chunk right here. You can feel it. Well, you can't feel it, but I can. You can feel the heft behind this package. You'd probably knock somebody out with it if you wanted to. But let's go ahead and get in there. I was a surgeon in another life. All right, so make sure there's nothing else in there. Okay. Okay, so we have an envelope. Look how fat that is. Any guesses? Any guesses what you guys think is in there? All right, so let's see if I don't slice my thumb off right here. What's the rule? Don't cut towards yourself, cut away from yourself, something like that. All right. Again, as you guys know, I'm nicknaming myself Captain Butterfingers because I literally drop everything. Surprised that has all my kids survived. That's not a joke. All right, not joking. All right, let's see. Okay, there we go. It's a little bit mutilated, but hey, all good. Woo-wee! Star Metals, 3 9s fine silver. That is 5.53 troy ounces, guys. Wow, look at that. That is a beautiful, chunky wafer. This is one of those bread loaf pours, right? They pour them in like that, and then they dump them out, and then they stamp them. That is such a cool stamp. I think this is like an antique piece or something, one of those vintage pours. It's too bad it doesn't have a date on it. But yeah, that is such a cool piece. It feels like there is a business card in here. So I want to give a shout out to Joshua M. Schaefer, the owner of Schaefer Rare Coins. All right, so this guy is out of Ohio. Here's his information, and of course he is on Instagram, Schaefer Rare Coins. So his link is going to be dropped below. Really generous. I don't know of too many people that do 5-ounce giveaways. Wow. And it just goes to show you, you never know if you're going to win, so why not, right? So thank you so much, Josh Schaefer. You are awesome, and your information is going to be blasted out there on the web. So hopefully at least a little bit of business will head your way. And certainly if I'm ever in the area, I'm going to check you out. I'm going to check out your website anyways. Just so cool. All right, thank you guys. Thank you, coin community. I'm going to highlight these one more time right here and there. And let me get this bad boy out so you guys can see it. Such generosity. You guys are awesome. So yeah, thank you so much to everybody who sent me these things. And of course, anybody else, if you want to send me anything, no obligation to do that. But just know that if you do send me something, I'm going to open it up on camera, and I'm going to put that on the web so people can bring attention to you guys. Because I know that you guys aren't doing that, just for me or for any of the other YouTubers. You do it obviously to build up your own channel as well. So I'm in full support of that. And I get it, I understand it. And I think that the more attention that comes to this community, the better. So thank you guys who sent that, and thank you for the awesome giveaway, Josh Schaefer, and you guys are awesome. Thank you also for the awesome giveaway, Dissident, Aggressor, and lastly, to my buddy who sent me these, Nathan Trevor, you're awesome. So thank you.